Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. Welcome to the academic year 2024-2025. Last month, we kicked off the new year with energy and enthusiasm at Reynolds. Our amazing faculty began their fall semester with Back to the Nest, an inaugural 3-day celebration organized by our Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. This event was packed with professional development, department meetings, peer learning, and plenty of time for faculty to gear up for their fall classes. With keynote sessions focused on student learning and engaging with under-resourced college students, our faculty are ready to deliver an outstanding education where every student feels like they belong. On Monday, August 26th, our campuses came to life as students returned, turning the quiet hum of late summer into a familiar melody of eager and excited voices. We're thrilled to welcome learners of all ages and backgrounds, including our very first cohort of surgical technology students. Beyond the classroom, students are diving into clubs and organizations, forming study groups, and making new friends. And what better way to celebrate the start of a new academic year than with a flock party full of food, music, fun, and games. The energy on campus is incredible, and we're looking forward to a year full of academic growth, personal discovery, and adventure. Speaking of growth and discovery, this past summer we welcomed 43 recent high school graduates to our Summerbridge experience. This 3-week program is all about building confidence, prepping for college classes, and making new connections. Students from the city of Richmond and the counties of Henrico, Hanover, Goochland, and Powhatan took advantage of this unique opportunity, which even included a capstone professional networking skills session with Reynolds faculty and staff. The best part? Our Summerbridge scholars are officially enrolled in college classes at Reynolds. We've got a year filled with promise and potential ahead, and I'm thrilled you're joining us for the journey. See you next month.